How to use your Plickers card. Well, a Plicker card is a way for me to get information and test you without having to give you an actual paper and pencil test. But in order for Plickers to work, you need to know how to use a Plickers card, or I am just getting the wrong information. This is what a Plickers card looks like. Kind of looks like an image from Minecraft. And this is what I used to get information from you. Do you see all the letters surrounding the picture? Just in case you haven't, that's an A, there's the B, there's the C, and there's the D. On the back of your Plickers card, I have labeled them A, B, C, and D as well, so that when you're looking at the back of your Plickers card, you're showing me the front of your Plickers card, and they have A, B, C, and D on it too. There's also a number on it that tells, because each Plickers card is like a snowflake. No two are the same. That way, when I go to scan it with my phone, it gives me information just about you. This is how you find your Plickers card. Look at your dot. You are sitting on a number. That number is the number that you use for your Plickers card. See, if you look at the back of your Plickers card, you're going to see that there's a number on it. That is the number you get. Again, you're sitting on dot that says 30. Your Plickers card should say 30 as well. I'm going to ask you a question. It's probably not going to be this easy. 1 plus 1 equals. But I will be asking you a question. Figure out what the right answer is. And then you are going to move your card to answer the question. So, for instance, if the answer to that question, 1 plus 1, was A, you would be looking at your Plickers card like this, with A at the top. If, however, B is the correct answer, then B should be at the top. If C is the correct answer, C should be at the top. If D is the correct answer, D would be at the top. You're going to show me the Minecraft image. So when I look at your beautiful face, or handsome face, I see this fancy schmancy Plickers card. While I'm looking at that, you're looking at this. Now, let's say A is the correct answer. See how A is at the top? Then I'm going to scan all the Minecraft images with my phone. And that will get that information and tell me that you've answered and what your answer is. It is really that easy. But to be sure, we're going to do a little bit of a practice right now. Now, Mrs. McKinley has put the Plickers card on the back counter on the back desks where the tone chimes are above the big bass xylophones and metallophone, or over near the window. She will direct you to tell you where they would be. I have them in packages 1 through 9, 10 through 19, and 20 to 30. She'll direct you where those packages would be.